Hello everyone. We are all working very hard to get the success, but there are very few people can get the success in their respective lives. Have you ever checked with that why some people get the success, why some people not at all get the success? There are many reasons why they are not able to get the success, but in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about two main reasons, two main barriers to get the success. The number one is that doubtful mind, and number two is that fearful attitude. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, doubtful mind and fearful attitude will not allow you to take some calculated risk in your respective life. These two will not allow you to get the success. You can cross check with that. Whenever you are in a position to take a new step, you will feeling somewhat fear in your mind and you are having somewhat doubts in your mind. So because of that, you're not able to take the first step alone. Because of that, you're not in a position to get the massive results in the area where you want to get. So ladies and gentlemen, doubtful mind and fearful attitude definitely will not allow us to take some calculated risk. Definitely they will not allow us to take or to get the success. Then what's the solution for that? How can we remove those doubtful mind and fearful attitude from our minds? How? If you ask me, the solution is that you have to replace that doubtful mind with a confident mind. You have to replace that fearful attitude with a courageous attitude. Okay, so far so good. Then how can one replace that doubt and fear with confidence and then courage? That I'm going to discuss. How one can get the confidence means, before getting the confidence, you should understand in which area that you are very weak at. That means what exactly that is your failing factor is. You have to identify that factor and you have to work on that factor. That means you have to get the complete knowledge in which area that you are very weak at, in which area that you are very frightening at. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to get the complete knowledge on that particular area, then definitely you can get somewhat confidence, right? For an example, if you want to start your journey as a public speaker, right? But you, take as an example, but you are always having a doubt in your mind that how can I start my public speaking journey, how people will that means how people will receive my lectures, how people will receive my content. Like that fear if you have in your mind, means you will never and ever take that first step in that public speaking journey and you will never become a public speaker. Instead of that, if you put focus on how to get the knowledge in public speaking, if you spend your quality time through listening the audios and reading the some books related to the public speaking, definitely you are in a position to improve your confidence levels. The moment that you improve, that means whenever you are getting some knowledge by doing that, what will happen means you can improve your confidence levels. The moment that you improve your confidence levels, automatically your courage will increase, right? So in that way that you can replace doubt with confidence, in that way you can replace fear with courage. So always put focus on these factors, not only in public speaking. If you want to start your journey as an entrepreneur, there are some people, they always want to start their journey as an entrepreneur, but they have some doubt in their mind whether I'm really capable enough to start my career as an entrepreneur. Really, I have stuff with me. How can I handle the team? Like that, they have some doubts in their minds, and they will feel something like they have some fears like how my family members will react once I get the losses in my entrepreneurial journey. Like that, they're always having fear in their minds. So ladies and gentlemen, it's all about how perfectly that you are thinking about. It's all about how strong that your mind is. So always focus on your mindset and always focus on how to get the confident, get some knowledge from outside, get some real-time experiences from the real-time entrepreneurs. See, if you want to succeed in the area where you want to enter, you have to listen to the people who have already get success in that area. Okay, don't listen at the people who are giving free advices. Okay, don't think much about other people's opinion. If you want to get genuinely become an entrepreneur, you have to take advices from the people who have started their journey as an entrepreneur. So that is what exactly important here. So that what will happen means you will receive some ideas from them. When you receive some ideas from them, you will get somewhat confidence. The moment that you get confidence, you can improve your courageous levels. The moment that you have a confidence and courage, definitely you are in a position to start your journey as an entrepreneur. So ladies and gentlemen, in that way you can replace that doubtful mind and fearful attitude with this confident mind and courageous attitude. So ladies and gentlemen, irrespective of the field, wherever that you want to enter, you have to put focus on these two factors, doubtful mind and fearful attitude. You have to replace those two with confidence and the courage. The moment that you are in a position to replace them with that, definitely you too can get the wonderful results in your area. Definitely you too can get success in whichever that you want to get that success. So always focus on these two. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what all about this video. Thank you for watching this.